Boeing Starliner finally ready for first crewed mission. This is a test flight that brings to bear all the things that the title implies. We're testing the vehicle for the first time with humans on board, NASA Administrator Bill Nelson said Friday during a briefing about next week's flight. Boeing Starliner is the sixth new vehicle NASA has launched since the first crewed Mercury flight in 1961. It is the second to be designed by a commercial entity, following SpaceX, which began crewed missions with its Dragon spacecraft in 2020. NASA's Kennedy Space Center ahead of their historic liftoff, which is scheduled for Monday at 10:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time from Space Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. Wilmore and Williams, Navy-trained space program veterans, have each been to the ISS twice, traveling once on a shuttle and then aboard a Russian Soyuz vessel. Boeing will join SpaceX in sending operational, 6-month-long crewed missions to the ISS. Both companies received commercial crew contracts from NASA in 2014, with Boeing's valued at $4.2 billion back then, compared to SpaceX's $2.6 billion. SpaceX has since launched 12 crewed missions to the ISS, including a test flight in 2020, while Starliner's first crewed effort has been delayed by several issues. The Boeing vehicle's first uncrewed flight to the ISS, which launched in December 2019, failed to reach its destination due to technical glitches. The pandemic, and the need to address the issues that arose on that first flight, delayed Starliner's second uncrewed test flight until May 2022. That effort was successful, reaching the ISS and meeting all of its other major objectives. Following next week's flight with NASA astronauts, Boeing's first official mission, Starliner 1, is scheduled for spring 2025. NASA said it's possible some of the space station's international partners will fly astronauts on Starliner beginning next year. Russian cosmonauts are not expected to join until at least 2026, after Starliner has successfully completed its first long-duration flight. NASA Launch Weather Officer Brian Cizek said there is a 95% chance Starliner will launch as planned. If weather scrubs the launch, NASA will try again on May 7 at 10:11 p.m. ET and has additional backups planned for May 10 and 11. Even though the ISS is due to be mothballed in 2030, both Starliner and Dragon could be used in the future to taxi humans to future private space stations, which several companies are planning to build.